Hello everybody and welcome back, and today we will be discussing about how to redeem codes in Bayside High School 2024. So before we move on, you can subscribe to our channel if you haven't done that already. So let's just assume that you have some codes that you want to avail inside your Bayside High School. So for that you can simply head over to your little basically Roblox Bayside High School onto your device, and then you will see a little bird Twitter icon on the top right side of your screen, and you need to click on that. So once you do that, apparently you will be entering your code into the section which is saying enter code here. You can see in the screenshot, and then click on this verify button. So it will be just verifying and validating your code. Eventually, once it is validated, you will get your rewards and benefit out of it. So it is that simple. If you have any questions, let us know in the comments below. Stay subscribed to our channel, and I will catch you up guys into the next video.